Okay, I'm looking at it, and let's try something a little bit simpler this time. And what I'm going to do is, I realize the LCD might be uncontrollable. So what I'm going to look at is, I'm going to try to combine those two terms together on each side, and you get x minus 3, hoping that I see something that's easy. And then what do you get there? Well, let's write this down. I'll put it on the side. You get 8x, right, because 8 times x is 8x, and 8 times 7, 56. Then you get minus 3x, and then you get plus 9. And what do you get there? You get 5x. Let's see, 5x, and then you get, let's see, 65. Let's keep going. And x minus 9, x plus 2. And let's see what you get there. I'll cross this out. I'll erase it later. You get 10x plus 20 minus 5x plus 45. What does that give you? Well, that gives you 5x plus 65. By the way, this is very promising at this point. I'll tell you why. Let me just get my eraser out and erase this business up here. If I didn't make any mistakes, that is, and I'm looking at this over here, what I notice is I have a really simple solution to the problem now. And the solution to the problem is over here is when those things become 0, all right? When does that become 0? I'll write this down for you. Is when x equals, let's see, minus 65 over 5, which would be minus 13. All right? So I want to point out that answer is listed for you right here. Now, once I have that answer down, what I can do is basically divide both sides by that. All right? And what do I get? I get another possibility. I get this over here. Which actually makes it a lot easier to deal with. And I'm going to multiply both sides by the LCD, or what some people call cross multiplication. At least in this case, it's cross multiplication. But it's more general to say multiply both sides by the LCD. And what do you get there? X squared minus 7x plus, minus 18. And you get x squared plus 4x minus 21. What's nice about this, it's quadratic is gone, and then you're going to get, let's see, you get 11x. I'm adding 7x to both sides, and then I'm going to add 21 to both sides, and you get 3. So x would equal 3 11ths. Now, before I announce that's an answer, I do want to look at the original problem, and I notice that treble numbers are going to be 3, minus 7, 9, and minus 2. And that's not one of those numbers. So both of these are good, all right? Now, granted, someone says, can you check those? Of course you can, all right? I'm really looking for troubles, though, and I don't see any troubles with that. Thank you.